بسم الله الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على أشرف النبيين وإمام المرسلين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وأصحابه فمن تبع لإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد, respected students of knowledge, viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you back to this our great journey, the journey of learning recitation of the glorious Quran, where we are starting from the basis, from scratch, to see how letters, huruf, are combined to make words, from their sentences, and after which we are going to be moving gradually to see some ahkam, the rules of reciting the Quran, and from there, inshallah, we are good to go. So without wasting much of our time, we are in lesson 2 of this our great journey. Don't forget, it's only 10 lessons, 10 lessons all in all we are going to be done. So lesson 2, where we are treating harakat, the Arabic vowels. We say we have only 3 of them, the fatha, kasra, and domma. The fatha is the sound a, kasra sound e, domma sound u. So, and we are presently in exercise 4 at Daris al-Rabi. So you can open to page 21 of the book we are using, Nurul Bayan. So, if you don't have the book, you can reach us via the comments segment. Drop your email and we will send the soft copy, the PDF to you. You can print and use it to follow us. So, the first word that the author brought in exercise 4, you can see it boldly written on the board. So, like we did in our last lesson, we will not bother spelling the one with Kesra and Fatah, because we are grounded in the use of those 2 harakats. So, the one we might be spelling, we will spell that of Domma for the first 2 rows. But from the third road downward, we are not going to bother to spell it. We just read, because we have done 3 exercises on Domma, and we believe we should be grounded also. So, but before we start reading, the last assignment, that's the last 2 rows. The last 2 rows of this were quickly of page 20. I will just quickly revise it, but I believe you guys must have gotten it right. But just compare with whatever you have read from the comfort of your home. So, is it clear? Okay. So now we are looking at the last 2 rows. So the first one is what? Ta-shi-fu. Ta-shi-fu. The second one is what? Ta-ji-du. Ta-ji-du. The third one is what? Ya-li-ju. Ya-li-ju. The fourth one is what? Ya-thi-ku. Ya-thi-ku. This one? Ka-mu-la. Ka-mu-la. Na-ku-sa. Na-ku-sa. Fa-ku-ha. Fa-ku-ha. Ba-su-ra. Ba-su-ra. So that is it. You can just compare with whatever you have read at home. So I'll make necessary correction. So quickly, going Domma is what? Gu. Gu-si-la. 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 So let's call it 1 like I do. You call 1 1 and link together. So for better understanding. Hamza Domma is what? U. Ukila. Ukila.
Ukila. Ukila.
Ha Domma is what? Hu. Beautiful. Hu, she, not si. Hu, she, ra. Hu, she, ra.
Hu, she, ra. Hu, she, ra.
Nun Domma is what? Nun. Nukila. Nukila.
Nukila. Nukila.
Okay. Fa Domma is what? Fu. Sa Domma is what?
Su.
Furasu. Furasu.
Furasu. Furasu.
Okay. Ghain Domma is what? Gu. Fa Domma is what? Fu. I'm not spelling this because I believe we are grounded in it. Gurafu. Gurafu.
Gurafu. Gurafu.
Ain Domma is what? Dal Domma is what? Do. Urqadu. Urqadu.
Ukadu. Ukadu.
Okay. Ha Domma is what? Don't forget we say Dal is a replica of D and Domma is what? U. So that's how we have that our do. Okay, for Ha Domma is what? Hu. We say Ha is what? H. So Domma, which we have said is equivalent to U, if you put your U there, it becomes what? Hu. So Ra Domma is what? Ru. We say Ra is a replica of R in the English alphabet. If you put your U, which is the Domma, replicating Domma in English is Ru. So Hu Jaru. Hujaru.
Hujaru. Hujaru.
Okay. This one, Sin is what? S in English. If you put your U is what? Sin Domma is what? Su. Ba Domma, we say Ba is a replica of B. So if you put your U, Ba Domma is what? Bu. We say Lam is a replica of what?
Lu.
L. So if you put your U is what? Lam Domma is what? Lu. Subulu.
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 Okay. Ra Domma is what?
Ru.
Ru. Sin Domma is what? Su. Sin is S plus the Domma U. Lam Domma is what?
Lu.
Lu. Lam is L plus the Domma is what? Lu. So if you call together, Rusulu.
Rusulu.
Okay. So Hamza Domma is what? U. Fat Domma is what?
Fu.
Don't forget I say fat is F. Fu. Fat Domma, fu. Cough we say is Q. Cough Domma is what?
U.
U. So Ukufu.
Ukufu.
No. Ufuku.
Ufu.
I interchanged them. Ufuku.
Ufuku.
Okay. So now Nun we say is what? N. If you put your Domma, Nun Domma is what?
No.
No. Ra, we say it does not have a replica in English. Rather, you should just know the articulation of the mouth. Ra. Ra. The frontal part of the tongue and the upper teeth. Ra Domma is what? Vu. Vu. So, no vu. Mim Domma, Mim is M. Mim Domma is what? Mu. No vu mu.
No vu.
No vu mu.
No vu.
Okay. I will not be spelling that of Domma again as well. So we are supposed to understand this. I just quickly use the English to buttress the explanation. So this one will now be what? Do, bu, ra, u. Do, bu, ra, u.
Du, ra,
This one. Ku, mu,
Kumusau.
You can see the author is dwelling now. Basically, from here, all this one is Domma. So he's dwelling on that Domma, but he's not equally forgetting Kesra and Fatha, so that we don't just go and keep that one and somewhere. So we are mixing them up, but with emphasis on what? Domma. So now, this one. Umorika. This one. Kika. Okay. This one is what? Fakutila. Okay, this? Beautiful. Fabuhita. Okay, this one?
Fasukiya.
Congratulations to you. Fasukiya. Okay, this? Barakallahu fi. Fakuti'a. So take note of this. Not T. Fakutila. Barakallahu fi. No. So this one is 5 letters combined. So and that is why I intended to leave the one with 3, the last one here as assignment, and the last one here as assignment. But because I noticed there are 5 here, I decided to bring it up and leave the 7th row as assignment, so that somebody will not say, this 5 word, Ustaz, we are not, you are supposed to have read or recite that one to our hearing. So, Fa'akhazahu. Okay. Fa'akalahu. Okay, this read. Okay. No, do this one. So it's as simple as that. So that's the end of exercise 4. Don't forget our assignment is the 4. I said study the 4th and 7th row yourself. So take it home, study them. So we meet in our next lesson. هذا وصلى الله على نبي المصطفى وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم تسليما كثيرا. Don't forget, please subscribe to this channel, share with family and friends. So you can use the subscription key below this video for easy subscription. Like, love and share. Click on notification button so that you can get or you can be notified whenever we post new lesson. So I'll see you in our next class. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Bye.